Remote learning can be difficult for any subject. The tutor isn't in the same room as the students, which can lead them to getting a little bit distracted, maybe a little bit lost, or maybe even embarrassed to engage with the lesson. But remote coding lessons, these can be particularly stressful. Parents and students have to be able to set up a video call, be able to see the tutor's screen, and be able to do their own coding exercises, often all on one device. Now, when a student has a problem in a remote coding lesson, it can be quite laborious for the tutor to work out what's gone wrong and to help them. Now, this can cause students to get frustrated, and it can really cause the lesson to lose momentum. Sometimes students don't even realise they've made a mistake until several steps down the line. This can really dishearten them that what they've been working on for all this time has been wrong. And remote learning schedules can be a little bit busy, can't they? Things come up. Sometimes students have to watch a recording later on, but this can lead them to struggle with challenges or tasks on their own with no guidance or help. Now at Head Start Coding, we're committed to removing the stress from remote coding lessons. Now, we've investigated many different remote coding environments, but we found they're either very expensive or they don't work for the lessons that we teach. So because of this, we have built our own remote teaching environment called LaunchPad. Now, LaunchPad's built from the ground up to remove the friction from remote coding lessons. Now, LaunchPad is a complete teaching platform. It includes all the information students need to read regarding the lesson, and it allows them to write their code all in the same window. It features such popular programming languages as Python, HTML and CSS, and even Scratch. Now, with LaunchPad, students get immediate feedback on whether they've succeeded at a task or whether they need to have another little look at it. Now, this works through a dynamic hint system that can provide tailored hints for the specific problem the student's having. This allows them to try and resolve the problem on their own without even needing the tutor's input. Now, this dynamic hint system even works when a student is working through a lesson on their own with a recording. This means that they can catch up on the recording and have all the benefits of seeing whether they're succeeding at their code. Now, nothing though can replace a human tutor. During live sessions, LaunchPad allows a tutor to see students' workspaces in real time, seeing their code update line by line, which allows tutors to provide specific tailored guidance for each student on the code they are writing at that moment. Now, we believe all students should be able to learn to code, no matter what ability level they have. But we know and understand that different students learn in different ways and at different paces. LaunchPad allows us to tailor different approaches to different students, all within the same lesson. If a student needs a little bit more help, they can be guided towards an easier track, something more accessible that they can complete, while more capable students can be given a larger challenge and can be allowed to really dive into a complex task. To keep students focused and engaged, LaunchPad allows tutors to take over the student's learning environment, to focus them in on a specific concept or perhaps a specific example the tutor wants to show them. This means that students can't get distracted by maybe playing around with the code when the tutor wants them to be paying attention and learning. Now, LaunchPad also includes revolutionary features that allow us to improve our teaching methods, all from within the same environment. It features interactive quizzes that allow students to test their understanding or to design concepts before they even begin writing code. These quizzes allow all students to get involved in the learning process. They no longer have to raise their hand and comment. Instead, they can complete the quiz and the tutor can see that all students really do understand the concept at hand. Now, no professional programmer works from memory alone. They often have to use resources to look up and check that they're doing the right thing. So we should really afford our students the same ability. So because of this, we've built a comprehensive topic library, which can be accessed straight from a task in LaunchPad. This allows students to see a brief explanation of past topics, to see example code, and it allows them to independently find the answers to questions they might have or to topics they're not quite as familiar or confident about. We really believe LaunchPad is a massive leap forward in remote coding lessons, and we're already seeing massive improvements in students' understanding, engagement, and most importantly, enjoyment. We want as many young people and parents to be able to see for themselves what LaunchPad offers. Because of this, we offer a free 30-minute taster session where students and parents can see what LaunchPad is like and can see what a revolution in remote coding lessons looks like. To learn more about LaunchPad and our taster sessions, please visit our website at headstartcoding.co.uk.